Hello and welcome to another episode of Talks with Arun on Health and Wellness. We have Arun with us to answer our questions around some of the most pressing health issues we currently face. First of all, Arun, thank you for being here. And today's question is specific to our women viewers. Can yoga help with women specific health issues like hormonal imbalance, weight gain, mood swings?
Yes, it's an interesting question. There's been a survey done all over the world, and it's been found that 70% of the people who practice yoga are women. I don't know whether that's true or not, but it gives a wonderful insight into the smartness of women. Women carry many portfolios, and the modern working woman has many roles and responsibilities. Yoga is one of the most efficient and one of the most beautiful ways in which a woman can take care of herself. I found that when women come to yoga, they're very distracted, they're quite exhausted and tired. And yes, women face many different kinds of health issues, including hormonal imbalance, excessive weight gain, mood swings, lack of energy, and so on. What yoga does is it starts to sculpt the woman slowly by and by. And this is the good news that I want to share with all our women viewers, that in a short period of time, a little bit of investment every day. And like I said, women are very busy. They have many portfolios and responsibilities. So the way yoga can be efficient is something very useful for a busy city woman. When a woman practices yoga, she starts to relax. This is her me time. She starts to become more grounded and settled. Concentration improves, productivity improves, the crankiness and the irritability goes away. The skin starts to glow. Interestingly, yoga is a science of balancing the chakras. And the chakras correlate to the endocrine glands. The energy centers, the energy vortexes, as is explained in the yogic tradition, the physical manifestation are the endocrine glands like the thyroid, the parathyroid, the pituitary and the pineal glands, and the secretion of hormones and how a woman's health is controlled by the balance or the imbalance of the endocrine system. So yoga is a wonderful method of balancing a woman's physical, mental, and emotional body. One of the biggest gifts that yoga has, apart from the fact that the woman starts to look more youthful, she becomes more agile, she falls sick less often, she has far more energy after she practices yoga every day. One of the most beneficial things that happen is that she is able to control her emotions. And when a woman's emotions are in balance, then she is able to be far more productive and useful, and she's also far more kinder to herself. So one of the most compassionate things that you can do as a woman is to practice yoga every day and give yourself that gift of taking care of yourself in one of the most beautiful ways that human beings have ever designed. So to all our women viewers, please give yourself the gift of yoga.
So that concludes this episode of Talks with Arun on Health and Wellness. I hope you found this conversation useful on your path to wellness. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. If you have additional queries, post them in the comment box and we'll be more than happy to include those in our future episodes. Till then, stay well. Namaste.